I dwell, not visit, not stop by. I dwell in the secret place of the Most High. I live there, I rest there, I belong there. He is my refuge, not a maybe, not a someday. My fortress, my God, in Him I trust. Surely He delivers me, not from some things, from what I cannot see, from what tries to form against me in secret. I will not fear, I will not fear, I will not fear. Night won't shake me, day won't break me. I am covered, I am covered. 1,000 may fall, 10,000 at my right hand, but it shall not come near me. Why? Because I'm not exposed, I'm positioned. I see, but I'm not touched. No plague, no destruction, no assignment of darkness has permission here, because He gave angels instructions about me. Not suggestions, instructions. I will not fear, I will not fear, I will not fear. This is where I stand, this is where I stand. This is who I am, I am. Because I have set my love upon Him. He delivers me, He sets me on high, because I know His name. When I call, He answers, not maybe, not sometimes. He answers, I am with Him, He is with me. Long life, salvation.